The first real-life unboxing of the Galaxy A57 has just leaked online. The Samsung Galaxy A57 official unboxing and first look is now circulating on the internet. This time, the device shown in the video is the lavender-colored Galaxy A57, and it gives us a clear look at the phone's design. Samsung is expected to soon introduce its new Galaxy A series smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy A57 and the Samsung Galaxy A37. Now, a video that allegedly shows a real Galaxy A57 unit has appeared online. The device in the footage appears to be a pre-release unit, which allows viewers to see the phone's actual design, color, and build before the official announcement. Many specifications of both smartphones have already surfaced through previous leaks, but this new video suggests that the official launch may now be very close. The video was originally posted online by a TikTok user and quickly spread across several social media platforms, including X. The clip shows the lavender variant of the Galaxy A57, including a short unboxing sequence and a detailed look at the device. In the footage, we can clearly see the back panel design and the front display of the Galaxy A57. There is also a quick glimpse of the camera application screen, which further suggests that the device being shown could indeed be an early pre-release model. Because of this leak, many people are now speculating that Samsung could officially announce the phone very soon. At the same time, the Samsung Galaxy A37 unboxing video has also surfaced online. According to an X user, the Galaxy A37 shown in the footage appears in a green color variant. From the early look, the Galaxy A37 design appears quite clean and modern, featuring a simple camera layout on the back and a sleek overall finish. The display also looks bright with slim bezels and a centered punch-hole camera, giving the phone a modern and stylish appearance similar to Samsung's latest Galaxy A series devices. That's it for today. What are your thoughts about the Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A37 design? Let me know in the comments section below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.